Hello, I'm Dr. Julia Piper. I'm based in the UK, in the Midlands, a city called Leicestershire, and 15 years ago I opened private general practice services. That's my own private practice, and over that time we've evolved into a polyclinic with many different practitioners. What makes us different is we not only give you, the patient or client or human being, much more time to get to the root of your problems, but we have much greater breadth. So we have not only the unique operating system of pharmaceutical-based drug medicine, but surrounding that we have other therapies which can support you in your road back to health, or indeed the maintenance of long-term health, whichever and whatever is your need. So let's look at some of the areas of our expertise. I myself and another doctor, Dr. Joe Chan, have our diploma in acupuncture. Acupuncture is an amazing therapy that has been used by the Chinese for thousands of years. I always felt when I was training that we didn't really know enough. Why is it that we have pushed aside therapies which have been used for thousands of years in China? The Chinese weren't stupid, you know. They wouldn't have used it if it didn't work. Well, that's what I thought. And over my career, I've fully trained in acupuncture, and I have seen some treatments, okay, they haven't worked, but I've seen some pretty amazing, miraculous results, sometimes after one treatment. But most people will get better and gain some benefit after a few treatments, and acupuncture can be used basically for anything. You can ask me how it works if you like. Okay, I'll tell you. I don't really know. You can measure all sorts of changes in the electrical wiring of our system and hormonal and messenger service within our bodies. I think the closest I've got to is a geneticist that I once spoke to who said to me, "Julia, how does it work?" And I proceeded to tell him examples of when it had worked. He said, "No, Julia, we know it works. How does it work?" And he proceeded to describe a very complicated mechanism, which was basically a triggering of our molecular memory of normal. So when you have acupuncture, you trigger this incredible body of yours to heal itself by triggering your genetic memory of what is normal. So acupuncture is incredibly exciting, and we're using it more and more. It is now recommended by NICE as evidence-based medicine, even in the limiting evidence-based models that are used by pharmaceutical medicine, and that's saying something. So acupuncture, we really are a centre of excellence for acupuncture here at Private General Practice Services. What else do we do? We carry out a huge new area in medicine in the UK called functional medicine. Europe and the USA are way ahead of us with this, but we use this for all types of problems, both to maintain long-term health and to get better from disease. It can actually be used to get better from disease, and it is a type of medicine that is nutritionally based and maybe with pharmaceutical supplements on occasions, and it links deficiencies in your amino acids, your minerals, your vitamins, your essential fatty acids with your digestive and absorption systems, your bowel ecosystem, the liver, the neurotransmitters of your brain, and so on. So it is a huge system of diagnosis and delves down into your unique code. Also using more recently nutrigenomics, which is a part of the gene coding of your body, which we can suppress if necessary, with nutrition. So those are our two big areas. We also do hypnotherapy. We have two hypnotherapists and two therapists who are trained in neuro-linguistic programming. These are very fast tools for therapy for depression or anxiety, and also for phobias. We have 2 or 3 CBT therapists, one for weight loss, another for phobic disorder, and another for depression. We have 1 or 2 psychologists, in particular a neuropsychologist. We have massage therapists and nutritionalists. And the list goes on. So if you need another approach to your medical illness, your symptoms, or even if you just wish to stay healthy for as long as you possibly can, then come to us and we can advise you. Our telephone number is 0116 270 0373. We have a fully accredited professional team to help and guide you. We look forward very much to seeing you. And before you come, have a peep at our website. It's www.privategp.com. I look forward to seeing you, and thank you very much for listening.